morning, guys. May 23rd, 2022. This one here, I gotta go check on a couple of ACs I put in for this guy. A couple of little Goodman units I swapped out for him. Little 1.5 tons on each side of the house. And I put him in, I don't know, 6-7 years ago maybe. And I check on him every year for the guy. He's an older retired guy. He's got the air handlers in the basement. He pulls the basement air in for the returns. He's an engineer type of guy, so he engineered this house like this. But we swapped out the ACs a while back, 5 years, something like that. Every year I go there and I check the charge and make sure that there's no mice in there. There's been mice living in there in the past, and check the filters and give it the old once over for the guy. We'll try to get you some shots if we'll see how things are running over there. I got 2 units. This one here. Both filters are fine. I just checked them. You miss working?
Do I miss working?
Do you miss it? No?
No, I do not miss working. But I don't like it just doing nothing though.
Alright, so we're 55 on the wet bulb.
Wherever I want to go, I have to get. I got a hiccup.
It's not that warm out here. We'll hook up our gauges and see what happens here. No mice this year. We've lived in here in the past, but it don't seem like they're living in here now. I did block up the holes with some tape. That seemed to help. Alright, so we got them off in the panel here. That's why it's not running. You shut them off. You don't need to shut them off in here if you shut them off outside.
Yeah.
You know? You don't really need to shut them off, to be honest with you. Alright, so 113 on the suction. The superheat's dropping here. Gotta go by superheat because it's a piston, right? They said it was 55 wet bulb. Alright, so 54 wet bulb. And it was 70 degrees out. So we're looking at about 7 degrees superheat, what we want, right? Right there, that's right on. Right on. Do put caps on it, good caps. Where we want to be. This one's okay also. You know, they've been living in here, but they're not living in here today. Let's get it off right here. Put this cover back and we'll fire it up. Let it run for a little bit. Gotta let it run. 108. The superheat should start coming down. Best let it run for about 15 minutes. 410. Been running a little while. See, it's right around 9 on the superheat. Subcooling came up a little bit. 112 on a suction. That's good. Superheat within 5. Subcool within 3 is what you're supposed to have. I'm supposed to be 9 or so I'm right there. It's fine. I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm not putting no gas in it or nothing. Just checking on it. Perfect. Been in what, 7 years? No leaks.